Ag Day Weather, brought to you by
Superior Proven Performance. The most sites of action in the industry. BASF Advanced Weed Control for growers from BASF, the chemical company.
Welcome back to Ag Day. Cindy Clausen joining us this morning. Cindy, a pretty big storm moving from west to east across the country. Going to get cold.
It's going to get very cold for a lot of areas. This is a strengthening system that's going to be the low actually pushing off to the north, but as that cold front sinks to the eastern part of the country, boy, we're going to see some real cold air coming into play. Here's a look at the map then. As we head through the day today, we're going to be seeing snow all the way from the upper Midwest down through parts of the northern plains and on over in towards the Colorado area. Now, ahead of that cold front, we're going to be seeing some pretty mild air in place, but it'll be short-lived because that cold front, when that swings through, is going to change everything for a lot of the folks in the central and eastern part of the country. So let's go ahead and put this into motion, and we see that low pulling off to the north. We're going to be looking at a decent amount of snow for parts of Minnesota and the upper Great Lakes. The real cold air is coming in here behind that front, and folks are really going to feel that as they get into Thursday and Friday and even into the weekend in the eastern half of the country. So ahead of that, it looks like it's going to be just some rain, not a ton of rain, but some rain along the front as you get into Thursday morning, where things clearing off in much of the plains. But watch what happens then as we see a system that's going to be coming up, and this is what a lot of folks are talking about, a potential little ice storm, if you will, but at least we are looking at the potential for some freezing rain and sleet with this, some mixed precipitation. So really exactly where that little low tracks, it will determine whether you're going to be seeing that snow or a mixture of snow and ice and some rain. So either way, it's going to be some travel troubles for a lot of folks in the nation's midsection over the next couple of days. Precipitation estimates, not a ton with that front. The snow, though, will really start to build up as you get it towards especially Minnesota, and there's that second wave that comes through. And as we put the snowfall in there, this is what we're really looking at, especially up towards Minnesota. You're going to be looking at that snow really piling up there, but even some snow falling in parts of Oklahoma and Missouri and even into Illinois as well. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Now, take a look at the temperatures. 64 in St. Louis as you head into this afternoon. A lot of 50s and 60s in the eastern part of the country. Look at that, single digits, though, as you get into North Dakota and into Montana. And watch as that cold air comes into the overnight. You're getting down below zero there. Still mild ahead of the front, but notice that cold air is coming. And as we get into tomorrow afternoon, boy, a big difference. St. Louis down to 34 degrees. That's a look at your national forecast. Now let's check out some local cities. Grand Junction, Colorado, some snow showers for you today with a high of 22 degrees. Rock Falls, Illinois, some fog to start your day, maybe some rain in the afternoon with a high of 52. Rutland, Vermont, some fog in the morning and some rain later on, high of 40.
Still to come.